Alrighty, boys and girls, I am so incredibly proud of everyone that was able to learn about the hour and minute hand and use it to show time on a clock. Well, today the assignment for 14.2 is finding out how we can show time in two different ways. So right now you're seeing my screen, and on my screen, Miss Amel eats breakfast every day at 7 o'clock. That means that the hour hand is on 7 and the minute hand is on 12. Well, yesterday, you learned that you can say 7 o'clock. That says that at 7 o'clock, I eat breakfast. Well, the other way to tell time is that whenever the minute hand is on the 12, we can also say it like this, 7 o'clock, okay? 7 stands for the hour hand. This is the time. Then you have 2 dots. I'll show you again. I added 2 dots. And then you add 0, 0. 0, 0 is the minute hand being on 12. This says 7 o'clock. There are 2 ways to write time. You can write it out like 7 and then write out the word o'clock. And if I also want to say 7 o'clock, I can write 2 0 zeros to talk about the minute hand and the 7 for the hour hand. All right, so I'm going to show you another look at the video, the other look for Pearson, and then I will show you your assignment for the day. Here we go.
Hello, it's about time you came to visit because our lesson today is about time. We've been learning to tell time using a clock like this one. The hour hand is on the 8 and the minute hand is on the 12. So it's 8 o'clock. But there's another kind of clock that shows the time. The 8 tells the hour, and the 0, 0 tells the minutes.
So I'm going to pause here for just a second. The clock that we're usually used to is the one right here on the bottom, the digital clock, where it gives us the time, the numbers right away. So this clock right here might be something that you see on your phone or as an alarm clock. This is the digital clock, right? And you notice that the hour goes here, you have 2 dots, and if the minute hand is on 12, it will be 0, 0. That is 8 o'clock.
See that? Both clocks say 8 o'clock. What time is it now? The hour hand is...
So take a second to think about it. What time is it now? The hour hand is on 2. The minute hand is on 12. This would make it 2 o'clock. So there's 2 ways to show it.
And the minute hand is on 12. It's 2 o'clock. So our other clock would show the time like this, 2 o'clock. What will the bottom clock show this time? 11 o'clock. And now I'm sad to say that we've run out of time and it's time to go. Goodbye till next time.
All right, just like you said, we're about to run out of time. So what we're going to do is we're going to move on to our assignment. For your assignment today, you will see this in Google Classroom, and it's going to ask you, look at the directions right here. It says type in the time below. So I'm going to take a look at this and I'm going to say, the hour hand is pointing to 5. If it's pointing to 5, I'm going to write 5 or type 5 into here. Now, the minute hand is pointing to 12. That means it's o'clock. That's going to be 2 zeros. I'm going to go to the next one and I'm going to do the same thing. It says type in the time below. Now, when you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see a different set of questions, and this is how it looks. Notice that there's this yellow circle right here. So it says drag the circle to cover the clock that matches the time. Now, the time right here is 2 o'clock. I'm going to look at both of these clocks and I'm going to find the one that's 2 o'clock. This has the hour hand pointing to 2 and the minute hand to 12. This one has the hour hand at 5 and the minute hand at 12. This says 2 o'clock. This says 5 o'clock. I'm going to drag the circle to 5 o'clock. This is going to be your assignment today. You have 36 questions to complete. If you have any questions, you can always comment below. I'd be happy to help. Otherwise, good luck. I'm so proud of you for being able to tell time.